You remember this story, the 1994 Fleetwood Flair. It's dirty, but we're going to get it cleaned up. All these stairs were completely rotted out. I took them out to where you could see the ground right through all that area. Turned out they were all dry rot. Here we're coming into it. Remember, we knocked out all the old floor, tore it out, tore out all these cupboards, all these up here, all these cupboards out here. We tore all these out. Air conditioner, we tore all that out, all the lighting, all the ceiling, all the ceiling vents, all the way through here. All this old cabinet, piece of shit cabinet that was in there. All the old wiring and stuff. All these skylights in here were all tore out. All this shower. But one thing, it was really solid. And we decided to make it into a really nice motorhome for somebody. All the same wallpaper throughout. All this white ceiling, stucco ceiling. Remember how ugly it was before? Now it's all brand new. And it smells like a new motorhome. All new cabinets. Great big old sink. $300 sink valve. All these custom window treatments. All built on a curve, all by hand. Custom made. You'll never find another one in the world. Because we made them ourselves. Over here too, look at this one here. Dining room is all mahogany, ribbon mahogany, Honduran ribbon mahogany. Get rid of that. Honduran ribbon mahogany. Handmade. All these backings have all been redone. Whoop. Yeah. This is all now wood. Same mahogany everywhere. Honduran ribbon mahogany. Real expensive stuff. Pretty. With the doors, all got the sapili. That quilted sapili door. All new hardware. Well, it's new everything. Even the water pump. And the dining room, Formica, is the same as the kitchen, Formica, and inside the drawers, the same Formica. That matches the bathroom Formica, which matches the Formica in this little cabin that I built, and also the same Formica is in the cabinet here that I built. Oh, and see the wallpaper back there? It's in all the cabinets too. And up above here, got a place to put the toilet paper all along here. This cabinet was actually two different pieces before. I built the upper part. I took it back apart and added on this upper piece for toilet paper. Really strong grab bar. Sometimes if you're getting up from the commode and all of a sudden you go around a curve, guess what happens? Anyway, I put that really strong grab bar in there. Remember the old shower? Remember the old mirror? At least I got my face out of the shot this time. I should be smart and get rid of this.